Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear students? Already we have started chapter number 4, parts and wholes. So today I am coming with part number 6 for this chapter. So are you ready, my dear students? Before starting, one thing I want to tell you: if you didn't understand any concept, if you didn't understand any topic, please write your message in the comment section box, so you will get all the new notification. Understood what I am telling you? Okay. Now on a page number 62, you can observe here. Do you remember this picture which here you can see? Look at the small triangle. See, this is a small triangle. What part of the square is it? How will you find this out? Clear? ये आपको एक पिक्चर दिया गया है. So what you have to do, you are going to find out the portion. ये कितना portion है? Clear what I am telling you? Understood? Okay. So first I am going to show you. I will try to complete this figure first. Then this line. Okay, 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 understood, clear. So in this way you can complete this figure, and it is a very easy for us to find out this portion, right? Okay, so look at this side. This is your figure. I have completed this figure, right, in this figure number 2. Now here to count the total number of triangle, right? So this is the first, this is second, this is पूरा गिनना है. 1, ये clear. In the same way you have to count this also. So 1, 2, 3, 4. In the same way 5. This is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So my dear student, there are total 16 triangles, right? Equally, it should be divided equally. So here tell me the portion of this. You can see the ये वाला which I have done here. What is a part? So there are total how many triangles? There are total 16. So can I say that it is 1 upon 16? Clear? Understood? So here the answer is equal to 1 upon 16. This exercise should be available on page number 62. in your textbook. Okay, now cutting the halwa, it is a very interesting. Ramesh bought halwa for his children Ammu and Anu. Okay, so this is halwa, right? Okay, now he divided it equally for them. So what it should be done? The Ramesh divided into equally two parts, which you can see in this figure, right? So in this figure, Ramesh cut halwa into two equal parts. So here this is the full piece, this is the full piece, और उसको दोनों में आधा आधा कर दिया. Clear? Understood? So here you have to fill in this bracket, each will get how many part of halwa. You can write 1/2 also, or you can say half part. So I have written here half part of halwa. But this month Ammu and Anu are telling Papa, my dad, this piece is too big. ये तो बहुत बड़ा piece है. We can't eat it. हम नहीं खा सकते हैं. They said, yeah, this is a very biggest part. You can't be able to eat it. Yes, of course. Okay, my dad. So he divided the pieces into half again. तो ये दो किया, उसका भी फिर से दोबारा दो किया, which you can see in the figure number 3. Understood? Clear? Again it is divided into half again. Each piece is divided into two parts. So to count how many total number of pieces, there are 4 pieces which you can see in this figure. Clear what I am telling you? Okay. So he divided the pieces into half again. So Ramesh cut into equal 4 parts. Okay. So how many pieces will Ammu get? क्योंकि Ammu and Anu both are children of Ramesh, तो दोनों को इक्वली हमको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है. तो Ammu के पास भी दो पीसेस रहेंगे और Anu के पास भी 2 pieces रहेंगे. It means Anu will get 2 pieces of halwa and Ammu will also get 2 pieces of halwa. So here how many pieces will Ammu get? Ammu will get 2 pieces. Clear? So what part of the halwa is it? उसके पास कितना होगा? 2 pieces लेती है, लेकिन टोटल कितना है? There are total how many, कितने pieces है? There are total 4 pieces. So here what is the part? The 2/4. Clear? So here answer is 2/4. Okay, but Anu and Ammu are telling his father that it is not possible to eat. अब्बा अभी भी हम नहीं खा सकते, ये भी इतना बहुत बड़ा पीस है. We can't be eaten this piece of halwa. अभी भी छोटा करो, आप अभी भी छोटा करो, उससे भी कम करो. So he again cut the halwa into smaller pieces, which you can see in the next figure. Okay, so Ammu and Anu are telling, thank you dad, thank you so much. Okay, तो कितना pieces किया? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So Ramesh is divided 8 pieces of halwa. So मुझे बताओ कि Ammu के पास कितना pieces जाएगा? इक्वली हमको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है. कि अम्मू के पास 4 पीसेस जाएंगे और अनु के पास भी 4 पीसेस जाएंगे, दोनों में इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा। क्लियर व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू? नाउ हाउ मेनी पीसेस विल ईच गेट? हर एक के पास कितना जाएगा? जो देखो ये दोनों अनु एंड अम्मू बोथ आर ईटिंग द हलवा, राइट? तो दोनों के पास कितने पीसेस जाएंगे? ऑब्वियसली 4 पीसेस जाएंगे। व्हाट पार्ट ऑफ द हलवा ईच ईट each piece now? So 1/8, क्योंकि there are total 8 pieces। एक पीस का हम पार्ट अगर हम फाइंड करेंगे तो 1/8 होगा। क्लियर? If Ramesh had cut the halwa into 6 equal parts, okay, तो how many pieces would each have got? 6 है तो 3 आएगा, 3 का डबल करेंगे तो 6 आएगा, 6 का डबल करेंगे तो 12 आएगा, 12 का डबल करेंगे तो 24 आएगा। So you can see the when Ramesh divided the halwa into 6 equal parts, then each of the 2 child gets 3 pieces of halwa। Okay, अगर 6 का 12 करेंगे तो उनके पास 6 आएगा, 24 पीसेस करेंगे तो हर एक के पास 12 आएगा। In this way cycle is being going on। Clear what I am telling you? So this type of solution you have to copy in your CW book। Clear what I am telling you? Okay, now on page number 64 you can observe here, okay, see this is a pattern on page number 64, one figure you have been given, okay, what part is color blue and what part is green. So here I am going to try to complete this figure so you can understand very well। Okay, so here I have divided into equal parts, so आपको समझ में आ जावे। Okay, so I have shown here in this figure। Clear? Now what part is color blue? First you have to count the total number of boxes which has been presented in figure number 2। The first count this all the boxes, okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16। Clear? So there are how many total boxes? There are total 16 boxes. Out of 16 boxes, find out how many boxes are blue color. So my dear students, there are 2 boxes. It means this is 1 and this is 2. These 2 boxes are blue color. So what part? We are going to find out the total number of part. So 2 upon 16। Clear? Understood? Okay, now what part is green? The green कितना है? Only this is 1। So what is answer? The part is 1 upon 16। Clear what I am telling you? Okay, the first answer is 2 upon 16 and second answer is 1 upon 16। Clear what I am telling you? आज के दिन के लिए इतना ही मैं आपको पढ़ा रहा हूँ। Okay, so my dear students, if you didn't understand any concept till now, please write your message in the comment section box। Inshallah I will try to give proper solution। Thank you very much। Bye bye।